flying colors. Bye. I'm gonna show to Manang Laika. Wait, cry.
I don't want it. It's needed. No.
Talk about what created the inflation, but the way it is.
We are
like it's hit the RV world.
okay. Hop up. Oh. Away. Hi, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Milo. Bye-bye. Ang ginawa mo.
Buang yung Milo.
I miss you, Milo. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you, Milo.
Oh, gasabat siya, gasabat.
I miss you. Bye-bye, ah. Okay na? Bye-bye.
Okay.
Main-tragit sa'yo. Tama na.
Stay away there, stay away. Okay na, okay. Stay so sa imo.
Bye-bye.
You know she's leaving? You know?
Bye-bye,
Huh?
Melo. Bye-bye.
Do you know that she's leaving? Nobody will spoil you. Nobody will feed you steak right now. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, sabat.
No more steak. No more steak.
Gawa ni Laps. Ano, ng...
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we will care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Naba ni siya. Naba. Piyak. Guys, we're leaving now. Flying colors. Bye. Okay guys, I successfully dropped him off. Luckily Zoe's not here. So hopefully walang aberya. Flying colors po ang kanilang luggage. The lady is Filipino and she was like letting it go, which is nice. I mean, yeah, the lady in the counter was Filipino. It's like, I let this go, but next time I'll charge you $100. And I said, no, please. So my mom is not here anymore. It's empty. And I have to remove this one and push it back to her bed, so when she come home, she won't feel that she is lonely and alone in this room again. I know she's gonna cry tomorrow when her grandma is not here. So I have to do this as fast as I can before she come home tomorrow. So there's no more crying. Yep. That's it. She's gonna cry tomorrow. I know that. So everything is packed up. Ito ay papadala ko sa Pilipinas. Then most of this will stay here. And yeah. She emptied her room. She asked me to throw away her garbage. This desk will go to Zoe. And there are some stuff that she asked me to keep and do something. I need to wash her laundry. And pretty much she emptied her entire room here. And yeah guys, you know. So, ganito siguro ang feeling ng yung mga anak mo pupunta ng college, din maiiwan ka na, then you're retiring, then your children are getting married, you're left alone, then you will feel that emptiness in the house. So, ganito siguro ang feeling guys. It's hard na hindi ka magiging emotional, but I have to be stronger para po, you know, para din sa kanila din yun eh. So, I'm sending her back to the Philippines para makapag-aral na po siya. She is taking radiologist in Cebu doctors, and I'm hoping and crossing fingers na matatapos niya po yung 4 years niya bago siya bumalik dito sa Amerika to look for a job. But actually, there is still some chances na she will be coming here on the summertime kasi Tammy expect her to come here as well para hindi naman siya malolonely doon sa Pilipinas. And yeah, so we will dismantle all this here. Siguro yung carpet idadaling ko sa taas. Na to, bibigay ko kay Zoe sa isang room, then the other one will go to her sister, and I think I will convert this room into a craft room para po ay mayroon akong craft room na. So that's all guys for today. And yeah, wala na po dito yung nanay ko, wala din yung anak kong babae. Ang maiiwan na lang is yung panganay ko. So I'm breathing. So thank you so much for watching our video, And I know pretty much soon I'll be joining them in the Philippines as well. Magbabakasyon kami ulit. Kasi I know I have to go back there to see how she is doing. And for now, I have to keep sending money para po sa kanyang tuition fee. Thank you so much for supporting me. Have a good night, guys.
Thank you so much, Tammy, for everything. God bless you, more blessing and good health. And also, thank you for loving and care my grandchildren, especially to Angie. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye, Tammy.
Buang ng Milo ay.
I miss you,